Hey y'all, we're back with another video, and as you can see, it's wash day for Sydney. So I took her last hairstyle out. If you haven't seen that, I'll link it above. And I'm going to be using the generic value products, and they are compared to the Paul Mitchell products. And I'm using the Paul Mitchell Tea Tree Shampoo. And I used this in my last video in my hair. I went live and I showed you guys the results. So I was like, why not use it in Sydney's hair, because they are bomb. Okay, and this video is not sponsored. I bought all the products in this video, so I wanted to show you guys because Sydney's hair really came out really well. And as you guys know, I did go to Paul Mitchell, the school, and I went to Sally's looking for Paul Mitchell, but they don't sell Paul Mitchell there. So I saw these and I'm like, will these really work? And someone beside me, they was like, these work really well. And I'm like, let me try. So I used the shampoo, I rinsed it out. And then next I'm using the tea tree oil conditioner. And when I tell you, look, when I put it in her hair, I can literally run my fingers through. Look, y'all know Sydney, y'all know she don't let this does not happen. Okay, now I'm going to use the Paul Mitchell the conditioner, which is a leave-in. So I'm going to put that in her hair. And sorry about the camera, I'm trying to do one film with one hand and then moisturize, put it, you know, penetrate the hair with the other. And look at this, look at this, y'all. I'm telling you, these products are so good. I'm thinking if this is really well, then why not use Paul Mitchell? Just go with the straight Paul Mitchell, which I know and I'm a fan of. That's why I went looking for it. And then that's Jamaican black castor oil I'm going to put in her hair. I'm going to start using that religiously on her hair, and I'm going to blow dry. And y'all, here it is. This blow dry was so easy for her. I'm not going to say it was 100% smooth because I would be lying, and you know how Sid is, but I can say 80% better. Look, no crying. I feel like she was anticipating the pain, so she was kind of skeptical. And also her ends need to be clipped, so if I clipped her ends, then the process would be a lot smoother. And she was saying the heat was on getting on her. That interfered too. But I wanted to show you guys these products and how it left Sydney's hair. And I did use a little bit too much of the leave-in conditioner because it had her hair kind of stiff at the end of the blow drying process. So next time I know, and if you guys use this, don't, with this, you know how we naturals, we want to use a whole bottle of conditioner because we like, we need this slip. But if you're going to use the leave-in conditioner, only use a little bit. I would say use a little bit if you want your hair to be flowy and nice after, or if you want to do a nice twist out, braid out, or even if you want to, I wouldn't say use this for, yeah, if you want to use it for a silk press, because I did, my hair came out really well. Look at this, y'all. She just chilling. Now I told you if I would have just clipped those ends a bit, that's what I'm gonna do next time. And oh my god, this is a total change for us. This is a game changer. So if you guys don't want to spend a lot of money on Paul Mitchell, because it can be an expensive brand to buy, I would say go to Sally's, get the generic value products. They have Paul Mitchell, they have Veda, and they have Matrix. I'm like, why hasn't anyone ever told me about these products? I mean, so I went back with the Demon brush. I went about a Demon brush as well, and I just wanted to smooth out her ends a little bit more, just to make it a little bit straighter. And because I'm going to braid her hair, I had a hairstyle in mind, but once I started braiding Sydney's hair, she was like, Ma. So I'm going to let you guys watch and then I'll come back.